na to, they got 3 kill blocks. Both of them.
And as a middle blocker, you love to see it.
Oh, yes. Parang gusto ko nang may konting stare down.
Oo nga. You know, last season, Judiel Netura was dubbed as the stare-down queen. Pero,
I know. Nakilaalala ko yun.
Diba?
Naalala ko yun.
Nag-cover tayo ng laro na ang angas ni Judiel eh. Pero, this game, she's just locked in. Naglalaro lang siya.
Yes. Baka ni-remind ni Coach O. Okay. Kailangan excited tayo, but at the same time, composed pa rin gumalaw.
And I had an interview with Judiel. I asked her about yung stare down niya as we see this ace by De La Cruz. Simple lang naman yung reasoning ni Judiel.
Ano sabi niya?
Sabi niya, ayoko yung ginagalaw yung teammates ko.
Same.
Yun lang.
Sabi ko, ako rin, sa paglalaro ko naman, kapag may nag-angas sa teammate ko, ako yung mag-aangas for them.
So yun, ganun kasimple.
Yeah.
I guess right now, yung Arellano, wala naman eh. We're not seeing anything na stare down or whatever.
Yeah.
So, hindi pa kailangan. Eh kanina nga na hindi facial pero tumama yung bola kay Vanessa. Nag-sorry agad si Laika. So, there is that respect between these two teams. But Letran right now, 3-0 start. Itong dalawang team sa tama ka, Mika, parang may kontrapelo eh.
Yes.
They split the elimination round. Arellano ang una nakatalo sa Letran. They almost beat Letran in the second round. And Judiel Netura continues to cook.
Favorite talaga ni Judiel yung angle na yun, no? Kanina pa rin ako naghahanap ng adjustment from the Lady Chiefs na haharangan nila yung angle na yun. Kasi kanina pa nakakapatay doon si Judiel eh.
Favorite. Now, ito ang kailangan ng Arellano na magising.
Yes.
Moming Padillon, the number 2 scorer of Arellano.
Medyo shaky yung start niya nung first set. Though, binalik naman siya ng latter part. Pero, tingnan natin kung magigising si Moming.
Yeah, hindi pa natin masyadong nababanggit yung kanyang pangalan.
Yes.
Judiel!
Oh! Kanina cross-court, ngayon down the line at baon pa.
Mika, may 10 na si Judiel.
Tapos second set pa lang.
Simula pa lang ng second set, 10 na. And Judiel with a smile. Kaya lang nabati natin.
Anton, wag ka na
Okay.
Wag na natin silang batiin.
Okay, makibalita muna tayo kay Elia Fedeliaga.
Anton and Mika, ano nga ba ang game plan ng Lady Chiefs? Well, at the top of Coach Obed Javier's list is stop Vanessa Sari, focus on their defense, and give their best. As the pressure of the game rises, he wants his team to remain calm under pressure so they can execute their plays to the best of their abilities. The Lady Chiefs' motivation and spirits are as high as the stakes at this match, so let's see if they can turn the tide of the game in their favor. Balik sa inyo, Anton and Mika.
Sabi nga ni ng Letran na ng Arellano, kailangan nilang i-stop si Vanessa Sari. Pero paano naman si Judiel Netura? Siya yung talagang kitang-kita natin na gumagawa as early as now.
Netura with a set. Pumakilang cross-court. Oh, regalo para kay Napal. But Arellano able to pick it up and wow!
Ali de Guzman.
You know, kailangan gumawa ng mabilis na adjustment ng Arellano, especially this set. Kasi kapag pinalayo pa nila yung score na to, medyo mahirapan na sila mga habol eh.
Oh!
And it's another momentum killer. Every time nakakakuha sila ng puntos, mag-error sa service, mahirap talaga maka-pull away.
Yung service error kanina ni Faye Magumbat was very costly.
Yes.
And that was after naka-running attack siya. Sayang yung momentum. Oh! Domasig with a surprise drop. Laika. Makilang with a sliding dig. Tudlasan, cross court.
Oh. No, I think it's outside.
Too strong.
It's outside.
And Letran with a 5-point advantage as we head to this technical timeout.
What is up, NCAA? This is Glycel Galpo, and today we are here at the College of St. Benilde to witness their pep rally as a show of support for the Benilde Blazers sa nalalapit na NCAA Season 100.
So sometime ago, towards the end of the elimination round, I checked if there was ever a rookie MVP in NCAA Women's Volleyball. And naisip ko si Gretzel Soltones, but she was not. Surprisingly.
Yes.
So if ever ang may chance ngayon, itong si Vanessa Sari, especially with the numbers and Letran's record.
I know, and nakikita natin na all around din talaga si Vanessa Sari dito. May contribution sa attacking, sa blocking, even sa serving.
Ibang klase talaga. And now, wait, is she chewing gum now here in the
Actually,
second
gusto
set?
kong tanongin. Sabi ko, meron ba siyang...
Pampakalma ba yan?
Yeah, maybe.
Kasi nung first set, parang wala di ba?
Yeah, wala nga. Oo nga. Baka yun yung ano niya, secret niya. Sige na nga, mag-bubblegum na rin ako sa laro.
Do volleyball players chew gum sometimes? Di ba parang tatalsik yun? If
Saka
ever?
kapag sumisigaw ka, baka mahulog siya. Parang wala pa akong kilala. Siguro, at least one or dalawang players lang kilala ko. Pero mostly of them, hindi rin talaga nag-gum eh. Nag-gum ka ba? Naglalaro ka?
Sa basketball, no.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
but of course, Michael Jordan, di ba? He was famous for chewing gum, so I know it's a thing. But volleyball, no.
Legend things.
Oh, wow. What a set by Domasig. Kulang lang sa lakas. Back set, Nitura.
Oh.
Gia. Padillon. Ayan na. Moming Padillon.
Ayan na si Moming. We're still looking for the connection ni Tira-Tira and Domasig dito. Kanina may mga sequence na hindi siya parang kulang yung connection nila. Nahihirapang makapuntos dito si Sam. But Moming is here. Gising na siya.
At masyadong maluwag yung blockings ng Letran sa
Yes.
huling palo na yon ni Moming. Speaking of blocking, Tira-Tira was there. Oh, papalo si Catherine. Oh!
Okay. It's okay.
What timing by Gia Makilang.
Maganda rin yung basa niya dito. Alam niya na aatake si Domasig eh. See? Diba? Kahit hindi naman ganun katangkad si Gia. Yung timing pa rin.
Gia Makilang, two-time beach volleyball champion, rookie MVP in beach volleyball, and was the MVP also this season. Ito. I was so worried about Estrelier hitting our monitor.
Great effort there. Great effort. Yung itsura mo, Anton.
Oh.
Great effort by Estrelier. Oh! Powerful attack by Vanessa Sari. Ito na yung sinasabi nila na full approach niya. Pero parang medyo mababa pa nga yung contact niya sa volley. May iaangat pa doon. May itataas pa.
A confidence-boosting two-handed power tip. A warm hug from Gia Makilang. And meditation in between sets doing wonders for Sari, but Padillon now starting to come alive.
Baka si Moming nag-meditation din after ng first set.
Estrelier to Sari. Pag ganyan na si Vanessa, mahirap na siya pigilan.
Yes, I know. Andiyan na yung variations ng attacks niya. May cross-court na, may down the line na. Pero alam mo, Anton, since hindi nga masyadong nabibigyan yung middle spikers ng Letran, napapadali or mabilis nakakadikit yung blockers ng Arellano dito. Oh. Pero narinig tayo ni Estrelier. Bigla niya binigyan si Napal. Kasi kailangan mo rin ng mga pasulpot na gano'n, especially now na 2 spikers na lang in front. And for sure, magiging dalawa yung blockers ni Vanessa dito.
Laika. Oh, wow.
Single block by Nat Estrelier. Medyo pasok na rin kasi yung set dito for Laika. And ready si Nat for the block.
It's a 7-point lead for Letran. Tudlasan. Sari. Oh, tira with the block.
Ito yung kailangan ng Arellano this time. Yung steady blocking sila, especially now. Na nasa harap si Sari. Pero Tira-Tira's gonna serve now and kailangan si Mangubat na makakuha ng magandang blockings dito. Ooh.
Napal. Another point.
Yung mga pasulpot-sulpot na bigay ni Estrelier dito, makakatulong yun eh. Lalo na kapag sa mga crucial time na mabilis siyang bigyan.
Sa peripheral vision ni Nat, nakita niya parang determinado si Napal.
Yes, hinihingi niya yung bola eh.
So that's 2 points for Marge Napal. A joust. Napal delivers it to Makilang. Oh, cross court.
Kailangan pa rin talaga ng katulong ni Moming dito.
Estrelier to Makilang.
Wow.
Down the line for Gia, and she puts Letran up by 7.
Pero I think magka-call sila ng challenge. Medyo hindi ba natin na raramdaman this set si Laika, no? Kailangan niya ng tulong dito. Though nandiyan naman si Moming na nagpapakita. Kumbaga nagising na siya ngayon. And si Pao na tumutulong din sa attacking.
And because of the absence of yung production ni Laika, that explains itong 6-point lead ng Letran.
First set kasi maganda yung ikot ng bola, nakakapag-play sila. Kailangan nila makapag-focus sa first ball.
Nakakatuwa rin yung uniform ng mga Arellano students, no? Para siyang hockey jersey.
Pwede ba kami mag-buy? Ang ganda pa ng color. Higa. Ito na kami sa collegiate eh. Yung mga hindi mo naman kakilala o hindi mo talaga friends. Magsusupport sa'yo, mag-cheer.
Oh, that's in.
Yes, that's very in. Siguro na sobrang bilis ng palo ni Gia. Hindi lang nakita. Inside ba yun?
So, it is official. 7-point lead para sa Letran. sa inyong kwentong totoo, kwentong kapuso, sumali na sa YouScoop Plus Facebook group at i-share ang inyong mga larawan at video. Maaaring ma-feature ang inyong mga storya sa aming newscast. Gamitin lang ang hashtag YouScoop sa inyong mga posts. So for more information, check out facebook.com/YouScoop. Coach Oliver Almagro looking to lead his alma mater. Colegio de San Juan de Letran back to the finals once more. They were there last year, but lost to the defending champion Benilde Lady Blazers. Ayan na si Laika.
Yes.
Laika Tudlasan.
I think yung tempo din, yung timing ng mga middle spikers ng Arellano, kailangan pa na i-polish. Kasi, especially this sequence, hindi sila sinabayan ni De La Cruz dito. Kumbaga, alam niya na ibibigay talaga kay Laika. And another momentum killer. Dito talaga sila nahihirapan maka-pull away eh. Makakapunto sila, tapos biglang mag-error sa service area.
So I've counted 2 service errors for Arellano in this set. Padillon. Padillon again.
Medyo pinilit ni Moming doon. Yung attack, medyo, I think, try niya na ipatama sa hands on blockers, pero wala sa timing.
18 serving 10.
Domasig to Magaling. Coach Obet trying to find the spark. Domasig with a point.
Alam ni Domasig na medyo nahihirapan yung kanyang spikers in front. So, siya na yung gagawa ng paraan para makakuha ng puntos.
Estrelier. De La Cruz. Magaling. Sa ilalim.
Oh, another attack error by the Lady Chiefs. Ito yung kailangan nila dito, Anton, eh. Yung atake sa outside. Lalo na sa mga ganyan, mga loose balls. Kailangan ng tulong ni Laika sa atake.
Magaling. De La Cruz and Itura were there. Magaling. Nailusot. Pero naingat ni Estrelier. Oh!
Nasa ilalim si Sari dito ng bola, kaya medyo nag-out yung kanyang atake.
Domasi, survey.
Alam mo, Anton, gusto ko yung intensity na binibigay ni Silva dito na kahit after ng error na, tara, kuha tayo ng first ball. Yung nagre-remind siya sa kanyang mga teammates na okay lang mag-error, but kailangan makabawi agad.
Yep, Lara May Silva, she is the heart and soul of the Letran Lady Knights.
Sabi ko, inaayawan nyo, di ba? Tumapon yung bola, tayo nakatat, bakit hindi umabot yung sweeper? Naglalaro tayo, nagugulat pa tayo sa mga nangyayari. Game na to, hindi na to practice para nakatayo lang tayo sa likod. Ang paano manggagaling sa taas, ibababa, hindi galing sa baba, itataas ang bola.
Tara, tara!
Ganun ang ginagawa niya.
Nakikita natin dito yung frustration ni Coach Obet na yung girls kasi para siguro medyo bumaba yung energy nila after the first set eh.
Kapansin-pansin yon. It's just not the same.
Yes. Na-feel ko rin parang bumagsak yung shoulders nila.
Malaking bagay kasi na good start yung Arellano nung first set.
I know, yes.
So the confidence was on a high and then nung lumamang ng 4 yung Letran, biglang bagsak balikat na.
Tsaka they were really enjoying the game. Ngayon kasi parang after error, okay, makikita mo sa body language nila actually na okay, next point. Pero wala yung urgency na okay, let's go, babawi tayo. Ayun yung hinahanap, yung kulang eh.
At yung Letran naman, maski lamang sila, may Nara May Silva na sumisigaw at nagre-remind sa likod. So the intensity is always there and the power of Vanessa Sari is ever present.
Yes. Kukuha sila ng magandang first ball, magandang isa-set ni Estreliere at nandyan si Sari para sa kanyang powerful attack.
Grabe. What a powerhouse. 10-point lead for Letran. And Nitura again with another simple play.
Actually, sayang yung nakuha ni Tira-Tira na dalawang blockers dito sa harap. Kitang-kita natin, walang sumabay na, kumbaga, isa lang yung sumabay sa outside spiker. Sinitura lang, pero kumbaga napayungan niya eh.
Domasig. Moming. Estreliere to Nitura.
Tinake advantage ni Judelio. Late blockers ng Arellano dito. Na late si Sam eh. Kaya kitang-kita niya na bukas yung cross-court.
Para tayo lang, parang bagong gising eh. Wala man lang kasigla-sigla yung ginagawa natin. Ano bang gusto niyo ba? Ano bang gusto niyo? Matatapos tayo ng ganito? Wala kayong ginagawa eh. Hindi nga kayo nagsasalita eh. Lalabas kayo, ganyan mangyayari. Lalabas kayo ng school, ganyan mangyayari.
Gising!
Coach Obet Javier is a 4-time champion coach here in the NCAA. He knows the level that is needed to win championships. And right now, yung paglalaro ng kanyang current Lady Chiefs is not meeting the standard.
Yes, kailangan niya ng energy pa daw.
Attack goes out.
Attack error by Padillon. Letran dominates set number 2. 25-12. And they are possibly one set away from making it back to the NCAA Finals.